Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to get the missing icons of this PC and recycle bin back on your desktop. So let's get started. First, let's start by right clicking on your desktop and selecting personalize. Now once this window pops up, go to themes. Now desktop icon settings. Here check recycle bin, computer or any other icon you want. Now click on apply. OK. And that's it. You should now see this PC and recycle bin icons back on your desktop. Thank you for watching and we hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below.